Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2020 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon. I'm just going to do a very quick walk around because the wind noise is brutal today. Make sure that's staying on, we're good. This one is actually pretty rare because it's the manual. I've never seen a manual Gladiator before this one. Got the stick here. This is the window sticker for the specific one. This one was a custom order, but I guess the owner didn't want it. So base price of the Rubicon 4x4 is $43,545. With all the options this fun one has, it's $57,335. Now what's awesome is this actually has adaptive cruise control, which in a manual is pretty rare in and of itself. I know the Mustang has it, but let's go ahead and take a quick drive. Now when I say quick, this isn't quick at all. It's pretty gutless, and now I see why the Stradman Hellcat swapped it. But you have to also remember, I daily drive a car with 500 horsepower. So I personally have gotten used to powerful cars. So you have to take that, my advice, with a little bit of a grain of salt, because I'm comfortable in high horsepower cars. It's more than enough for what this truck needs, but if you're getting into one of these thinking you're gonna blow the doors off of everything else, no, that's not gonna happen. All the stocks here have a very good quality feel to them when you use them. The dash is lined with leather that's not really soft touch, but it's still pretty decent feeling, pretty luxurious. The clutch is pretty light. I mean, it has some decent weight to it, but it's very usable. The shifter is not as long of a throw as I thought it would be. I mean, it's not a short shifter, but it's not bad. The wind noise is where this kind of suffers. I mean, when you have the windshield down, these roofs off, you know, and stuff like that, wind noise isn't really a factor because it's an open air cabin. But if you're taking $60,000 and want a luxurious off-roader, this is up there, but it's not a very refined cabin. The stereo is actually really good. This is, I believe, the base stereo that the Gladiator comes with, and has decent bass to it. It's really good. And that's 60. So you can see what I mean. It's not, oh my god, fast, but it's not very, very slow either. Personally, I really like the sound of it. It's a typical V6 sound. Steering's not too light. It's comfortable. I would prefer something a little bit more precise, but that might be due to the off-road tires that this one has. If you got one with the basic tires and all-season tires like the base models come, it might be a little bit more direct. This one seems to wander a bit, like I'm moving the steering wheel and nothing's going on. The brake pedal has nice feel to it. It's nice and progressive, easy to use.
Now I will give Jeep credit, this is a very windy day today, so that might amplify it a bit. But honestly, the person that's buying this vehicle really doesn't care about that. Overall, this is a very, very nice vehicle. I personally don't know if I would spend $57,000 on one, but it is a decent way to spend that money. Because you look at it, I mean, a Raptor. So an off-road pickup truck, a Raptor is $70,000, $80,000. You know, the GMC or the Chevy Colorado off-road edition, that one's up in the 40s to 50s. So this is priced relatively affordably for the marketplace. It's not terrible. I'm actually smiling a good amount. I've gotten a decent number of head turns with this really nice, this is a really good spec. I love the dark brown leather. It goes great with the gray that's in there. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please stay tuned for future content and have a great day.